Energy security is critical for a country like India with a population of 1.2 billion and one that aspires to be in the league of superpowers. During the 11th five-year plan, nearly 55,000 megawatt of new generation capacity was created, yet there continued to be an overall energy deficit of 8.7% and peak shortage of 9%. The country's largest energy source is coal, followed by petroleum and traditional biomass. A huge population in the country still awaits basic access to electricity, while electrified areas suffer from rolling electricity blackouts. According to the 2011 India census, 62.5% of rural households use firewood as the primary fuel for cooking. The government seeks to balance the need for electricity with environmental concerns from the use of coal and other energy sources used to produce that electricity. And in recent years, production of non-renewable source has picked up. India has about 300 biomass power and cogeneration plants with around 2.7 gigawatts of installed capacity and has potential biomass electricity generation capacity of 18 gigawatts. In the times when the world is looking for ways to make a balance between rapid economic growth and its implications on the environment, energy conservation can play a key role in ensuring sustainable growth. Research says that 1 unit of energy saved at the consumption level reduces the need for fresh capacity creation by 2 times to 2.5 times. India is the 4th largest energy consumer in the world after the United States, China and Russia. Coal is our country's primary source of energy. Resources currently allocated to the energy sector are not sufficient to narrow the demand-supply gap. As a result, our dependence on imports is increasing. India sits on top of the world's 4th largest reserves of the coal, but it has become the 3rd biggest coal importer after China and Japan. About more than 2/3 of our electricity generation is through coal only. With the current rate of consumption, it is said we will run out of our coal reserves before the end of this century. In this light, efficient use of energy and its conservation assumes even greater significance. Although India ranks 6th in the world as far as total energy consumption is concerned, it still needs much more energy to keep pace with its development objectives. It should be rooted in the behavior of every human being to get more effect towards the plan of energy conservation. Fossil fuels, crude oil, coal, natural gas generate sufficient energy for the use in daily life, but increasing the demands of it day by day creates the fear of reducing or diminishing the natural resources. Energy conservation is the only way which helps in replacing the non-renewable resources of energy with the renewable energy. National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated every year with an objective of promoting energy conservation. The day sends a message to conserve a precious source that energy is. Business Desk, DD News.